to be seen, to be heard, to be constantly available. This is the gospel of the modern world, the lie fed to the masses to keep them on a treadmill of validation, forever seeking relevance in the noise. They tell you that to be powerful, you must occupy space, fill the silence, answer every call. This is the doctrine of the puppet, not the king. Machiavelli understood a darker, more potent truth. Ultimate power is not found in presence, but in its calculated withdrawal. It is the power of scarcity. The truth is, that which is always available becomes common. It becomes wallpaper. Its value plummets to zero. Think of gold. Its value lies not in utility, but rarity. Think of a master strategist. Their power is not in shouting orders, but in the silence preceding a decisive move, a silence that makes everyone hold their breath. Your constant availability, your immediate replies, your predictable presence, they do not make you indispensable. They make you furniture, a utility to be consumed at will by others. When you are always there, your presence ceases to be an event. It becomes an expectation, and expectations are the breeding ground for disrespect. To reclaim your power, you must unlearn this need to be seen. You must weaponize your absence. Your words carry immense weight, undiluted by a sea of constant chatter. Your silence forces others to think. It creates a vacuum they rush to fill with their own thoughts, anxieties, and most importantly, their own projections of your power. They will wonder what you are thinking, what you are planning. Your absence makes you a screen upon which they project their narratives, and you, the ghost, control the projector. Machiavelli advised the prince to be feared and loved, but if not both, to choose fear. The ghost is not hated or loved. The ghost is respected and a little feared. Its unpredictability creates a sense of awe. When you are always present, people learn your patterns. They predict your moves. They manage you. When you are a ghost, you have no patterns. You move outside their expectations, operating on a different plane. This creates a powerful psychological advantage. How do you begin? Start with strategic silence. Stop offering your opinion in every debate. Let others rush to fill the void. Observe. Your silence will be more intimidating than any argument. Next, control your accessibility. Do not be the first to answer. Do not be available 24/7. Create windows of availability and be ruthlessly disciplined about them. Your time is a fortress. You control the gate. This is not being rude. It is establishing your value. People respect what they cannot easily have. Then make your actions speak louder than words. A ghost does not announce its intentions. It simply acts. Let your results appear as if from nowhere. While others talk about their plans, you will be executing them in the shadows. This creates an aura of mystique and undeniable competence. Your movements become sudden, decisive, impactful. When you do appear, make it count. Every interaction must be intentional, every word precise. You are not there for small talk. You are there to advance your mission. Your presence must be a concentrated dose of your will. Then, as quickly as you appeared, vanish. Leave them wanting more, analyzing your every word. You create your own. This path is not for the faint of heart. It requires immense discipline and a profound understanding of human nature. It requires you to fight your ingrained need for validation. But the reward is true sovereignty, the power to move through the world on your own terms, to have your presence be a gift and your absence a source of immense strategic power. The mediocre man fears being forgotten. The sovereign man understands that being constantly remembered is a prison. He chooses not to be forgotten, but to be anticipated. He is the storm discussed only when the sky is clear. He is the ghost in the machine. If you have listened this far, the echo of this truth was already inside you. You have felt the draining effect of constant availability, seen how your value is diluted by your accessibility. The ghost is not a new identity. It is the sovereign part of you, suffocated by the noise, begging to be unleashed. The seed of the ghost has now been consecrated in your mind. This is not a lesson you can unlearn. The choice is irreversible. You will either heed the call and begin the disciplined practice of strategic absence, or you will forever be haunted by the potential of the power you chose to forsake. Subscribing to this legion is not a click. It is a silent pact, a declaration that you no longer play by the rules of the visible world. an oath to yourself to master the art of the unseen. This channel is not entertainment. It is a fortress, a war council for the architects of their own reality. We are the ghosts in the machine of mediocrity. Now, go, and let your silence shout for you.